In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the country setting in your Uber app through the website. This process is quite vital if you've recently moved to a new country or perhaps if you're planning a trip and want to ensure everything is set up correctly. Transitioning to a new location within the Uber app can help avoid any logistical issues and make sure your payment methods and ride options are consistent with the local offerings. First, let's navigate to the Uber website. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.uber.com. Once the page has loaded, look toward the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a Login button. Click on it and proceed to enter your Uber account details. Now, this part involves a little patience and precision, as it's important to get your login credentials, your email and password, just right. After logging in, you'll be directed to your account homepage. This area provides a comprehensive view of all your Uber activities, but for now, our focus is on changing the country setting. Look to the left side of the screen and find the Settings option in the navigation menu. It's typically nestled among various other options that you can explore later at your leisure, but right now, let's click on Settings. The Settings page is where you'll find a variety of customizable features, but specifically, you need to focus on account settings. Scroll down gently until you see the Country section. This is the crucial part of our task today. Once you've located it, you'll notice it displays your current country. If you're switching countries, click on this section to open a drop-down menu showcasing a list of several countries. Now from this list, select the country you're transitioning to. It's important to be sure about this choice because changing your country setting alters the local currency, available payment methods, and localized services. Once you've selected the desired country, you'll need to confirm your selection. Look for a Save button, typically located at the bottom of the page, and click it to finalize everything. With your new country set, it's a good idea to verify whether your preferred payment method aligns with the options available in your new country. Also, consider taking a moment to update any other preferences or settings that might enhance your Uber experience in the new location. And just like that, you've successfully changed the country in your Uber app through the website. Remember, this is a useful step whenever you're relocating or planning a long-term stay somewhere new. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and it eases any stress about using Uber internationally. Thank you for watching and happy traveling.